If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, but still losing a woman's interest, it's probably because of the way you speak. There's a simple shift, just 2 words, that can flip the script and instantly make you more attractive. Most men don't realize this, but the way you talk to women says more about your confidence than your looks ever could. Say the wrong thing and you'll be forgotten. Say the right thing and she'll think about you all night. I'll show you how. How women perceive you starts with one key shift. The way women perceive you isn't just based on your appearance, it's heavily influenced by how you interact with them. Confidence, clarity, and presence are traits that instantly grab a woman's attention. One of the most powerful ways to express these traits is through your words, especially when spoken with intention. Today, you're going to learn a simple yet transformative phrase that can reshape your daily interactions and elevate how women respond to you. Support the channel and unlock more insights. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Doing so not only supports the content you're enjoying, it also tells the algorithm this video matters. That small action helps more men like you discover insights to improve confidence, attraction, and connection with women. Ready to level up? Let's get into it. Why most men get it wrong in conversation. A common mistake many men make is being too passive or indecisive when talking to a woman. Phrases like, whatever you prefer, or we can do whatever you want, seem polite but actually signal uncertainty. And uncertainty doesn't spark attraction. In fact, it often turns women off before things even begin. You may not realize it, but being overly flexible can make you come across as unsure of yourself, something that undermines your masculine energy. The 2 words that instantly shift the dynamic. Here's the truth. Women are drawn to men who lead with clarity and intention. The simple phrase, I want, can instantly shift how a woman sees you. While it may seem small, saying, I want, projects decisiveness and direction, 2 qualities that instantly elevate your presence. These words subtly communicate that you know what you want and aren't afraid to express it, a core trait of alpha confidence. How to use I want in real-life scenarios. Applying I want isn't about being forceful. It's about being assertive in a respectful way. For example, instead of saying, maybe we can hang out sometime, say, I want to take you to dinner Friday night. This instantly shifts the energy. You go from asking for approval to taking the lead. Women are more likely to respond positively to a man who shows direction without being overbearing. Creating magnetic interest through communication. Let's take another scenario. If you're approaching a woman you're interested in, skip the vague chatter. Instead, try saying, I want to get to know you better. Let's grab a coffee this week. This not only signals genuine interest, but also makes you stand out from other men who play it safe. Being direct and intentional opens the door to deeper connection, and yes, even boosts her ethereal attraction toward you. Want her thinking about you. Non-stop? Now, imagine sending one message that makes her crave your attention. These magnetic texts trigger emotional obsession, making her think about you constantly, even if she's just a friend or involved with someone else. Want to unlock these powerful messages? Click the first link in the description and download them now. But a quick warning, don't use them unless you're ready for her to be all over you. Expressing desires builds stronger bonds. In more advanced stages of a relationship, I want becomes even more valuable. Instead of saying, whatever you prefer is fine, try, I want to spend more time with you this weekend. Let's plan something together. This shows emotional investment and strengthens your connection. It tells her that you value time with her and are proactive in deepening the relationship. Confidence. Isn't arrogance, know the difference. It's important to remember that confidence doesn't mean being controlling. Saying, "I want," should never sound like a command. It's about clarity, not dominance. If you say, "I want to go out Friday," and she says she's unavailable, respond with, "No worries, how about Saturday?" This shows flexibility while still maintaining leadership. That balance is key, the hidden power of respectful assertiveness. Women, appreciate a man who's clear about what he wants, but also open to her input. That's the sweet spot. When you express your desires with confidence and allow room for dialogue, you build mutual respect. This kind of communication opens the door for her to express what she wants too, creating space for real intimacy, emotional connection, and, yes, better S-frictional chemistry. Tone is everything. Delivery makes the impact. What you say matters, but how you say it matters even more. Your tone should be calm, respectful, and confident. You're not giving orders, you're simply expressing your truth. When your tone matches your intention, women feel your authenticity. That's when "I want" becomes more than just a phrase. It becomes a magnet. Challenge. Start using this today. Now that you understand the power behind these words, it's time to take action. Use the phrase "I want" 5 times a day for the next week, in small or big moments. Whether you're with women, friends, or just navigating daily life, get used to owning your desires. You'll quickly notice people treating you with more respect and women becoming more intrigued and attracted to your presence. Let's make this real. Comment below. Don't just watch, participate. Drop a comment below with how you plan to use "I want" this week. Share a scenario where you'll apply it and come back in a few days to let me know how it went. The real transformation happens when you move from theory into action. Final thoughts. You're becoming the best version of you. If this video helped you, comment, "I am the best version of myself" for women below. And if you want more powerful tips on confidence, attraction, and sexual connection, make sure you like and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel alive and helps me create more high-value content for men ready to grow. Until next time, express yourself boldly and stay confident.